Господине Хан, ги поддржува ли Европската унија најавените реформи во правосудството пред се реизборот на судии?
Well, I think we're at the beginning of this process. I don't want to preempt discussions here. I trust a lot to Mr. Priebe and his team to look into it and to find a solution which is, so to say, tailor-made for the needs of the country. What is absolutely needed is to regain confidence and trust in the independence of the judiciary, in the quality of the judiciary. I think this is also the aim of the people working in it, prosecutors, judges, civil servants, and I think this is also something which citizens here in the country deserve, to rely on a functioning, transparent, non-corrupt judiciary.
Колку е важно за борбата против криминалот и корупцијата предметите што ги води специјалното јавно обвинителство да добијат разврска?
Well, it was a necessary, so to say, measure to address certain deficiencies. There is a regulation, and we have always said the institution should get the time it needs to proceed on all these issues. And now it's up to the government to discuss how this should be, so to say, prolonged or not, or how should it be transferred, or whatever is, so to say, the future construction. Once again, important is that people have the, so to say, impression, if you like, the reassurance that all criminal cases are thoroughly investigated, and if there is a need for indictments, they are done. They are filed, and there are court cases, and where necessary there are sentences and rulings, etc. So it's about the whole judiciary chain which has to function.